Today I am going to be doing a review on the Great Shark Pool Vacuum. Comes with a very easy to use user manual. You'll see it actually has a cleaning utensil to help clean it out. You have your vacuum. Everything comes very nicely packaged. It looks very professional. I love the colors on it. You have your telescoping handle here. You've got your charger. You've got some different, you got your handle here, some different attachments for the end. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. We'll get it put together. It was very easy. Essentially, I just had to connect the handle to it, unpackage the charger. You can see it has a nice little charging port here. And then if I flip this over, you'll see here's the charger. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this unscrewed. It is nice that it is waterproofed. So you just unscrew this, plug it in. Once you get it plugged in, you will see that it has a really nice charging indicator. So it's showing me that it's halfway charged. When all of these are full, I'll be able to unplug this and go ahead and get it in use. Now that this vacuum is fully charged, I've gone ahead and been using it for about 24 hours. It does work pretty good. It's got really great suction. The way that this works is that you flip this guy down. When you open it up, you're gonna find that it actually has a metal mesh filter, which I really do love. We have had other vacuums that use like the bags, and you have to interchange the bags and wash the bags out, and it's kind of inconvenient. This is very easy to pull out. All you have to do is grab a hold of it. It just snaps right out. You can see it has like this little lock here, fits right in with that arrow right there. That's how that locks in. Then you're gonna see it has this little like rubber plug that keeps the water from coming out back into your pool. So when the weight is on it, it just seats this down. On the front, you can unclip that, and then you'll see here is the filter on the inside. I have used this several times now, and I just go ahead and use a hose to kind of clean it out. Cleans out just fine. And then again, here's the kind of rubber little plug with another screen in it that helps to keep any of the water that kind of comes back down when you shut it off from getting into your pool. What I do love about this specific filter is that when you go to pull it out of the pool, all of the dirty water doesn't start running back into the pool. That's a problem that I had with a last vacuum. So I really like that. I also like that I can actually fully disassemble this, get all of the clean water back out into my pool. And then as long as I just pull this out, it contains all of the dirty water. That way you're not taking bucket loads of water out of your pool. We have a small 8-foot stock tank pool. So every time I vacuum and have to pull this out of the pool, my old vacuum, I would have to dump, you know, a good amount of water out, and then we'd have to refill it. So I like this because it's just the water that's in here. All the water that's dirty gets contained in this, and I can pull it out. So that is a really nice feature that this vacuum has that my last vacuum with a bag did not. It's very easy to reassemble. So after you wash this out with a hose, all you have to do is lock that puppy in there. Then you put this on top. That orange part is like a nice rubber gasket. So it seals it really nice. You just seat it like this, and then you just pull up this guy, and then it's locked on there. If you want some of the other specifications for this vacuum, I'll show them right now so that you can kind of see that. But let's go ahead and get it in the pool. So our pool needs to be cleaned terribly. You can see there's a lot of sand and silt in the bottom of it right here along the outside edge. In order to use this, you do need to make sure that these little gills or vents on the side of the vacuum are under the water. If you do not have that, it will not get the suction that it needs. Then all you're gonna do is hold this on off button down. You'll see all the green lights come on. I love that I can see the charge through the water, so I know how much battery life I have. And then if I kind of show you, you should be able to see the dirt getting sucked right up into that vacuum. And so now behind the vacuum, the water's nice and clean. It's very quiet. so you don't get a lot of sound or anything with it. You can see all that dirt and debris sucking right up in that vacuum. Now, I will say our pool is very dirty because I have 4 kids who are constantly getting in with dirty feet, and we only have an 8-foot pool. So my filter does clog up pretty fast right now, just because all of that sand and like fine particulate really gets caught in that filter. So the filter works excellent getting all of that really fine like sand and almost mud off of the bottom of the pool. But because of that, the filter does fill up kind of quickly. So I've gone ahead and I've pulled out this filter. You can see that it has sucked up a ton of that dirt, and you can see it is contained in here, and it's only clean water coming out because you have that filter in the bottom. When I really open that up, you can see all that fine sand and silt and dirt that's been caught in there. And then again, all of the sand and dirt sitting in the bottom. Again, I literally use this for about 30 seconds, and that's how much it sucked up. So it does do a really good job. But again, when you have that much fine sand and stuff in the bottom of your pool, it does plug up the filter pretty quickly. So if you are someone who has a small spa or a small 8-foot pool like I do, and you are cleaning it pretty regularly, again, this is the first clean of the season, and we've been using this pool for several weeks. We needed a vacuum badly, and so now that I have one, I'm getting it cleaned out. But once you get it maintained, if you're vacuuming every other day or even every day, just kind of a quick vacuum, it won't plug up nearly as fast as mine is right now. And then all I do is take my hose and I just kind of clean out that screen. It cleans out very quickly. It's very easy to clean out. Doesn't take very long whatsoever. All right, so after just spritzing this for about 10 seconds, you can see my filter and everything nice and clean again. So I'm gonna pop it back in. And I also love that this part is clear because you can actually see the silt and the dirt on the bottom of the pool. You can see that it's being sucked in. So that is really nice. There's also an added attachment that goes on here for the corners. I'll go ahead and show you that. So this just twists right off. And then you also have this attachment, which I like to use for the corners. All you have to do is kind of slide that on there, just like that. You just slide it on where the arrow is, twist it back to close, and you'll see it seats in there. All right, I've got it turned back on again, and now with that little fine nozzle, it's kind of hard to see, but you can see that I can just suck up all of the dirt. Let's see if I can get it on camera. And just suck all that right up. Now the suction on this is very strong when you have that little corner piece on, so it doesn't really take a whole lot to get stuck on the bottom of the floor. So you just have to kind of pay attention, but this works fantastic if you have kind of hard to reach spots or anything like that. So overall, really love this vacuum. It's working fantastic. You can see all the stuff it sucked up just from that little 10 seconds that I was in the pool. Hopefully my review has helped you decide if it's the right product for you or not. If you have a deeper pool, you also have the telescoping attachment that you can add to it. This is a product that the manufacturer has sent me in exchange for my honest, unbiased opinion, but we are really enjoying it, and I'm looking forward to using it this year.